Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to install YouTube application on Mac operating system. You can do same process of Windows. So let's start as a demonstration. So now just simply open here new tab. I just simply open here browser. So this is a browser and I add here YouTube. Enter. This is a youtube.com perfectly. And now I want copy this link. Simply select entire link, drag and drop your desktop location, and you can see here, look at this here in this particular screen here, YouTube options are come, but this particular YouTube option not logo is not coming here. So we need just simply open here Google and I put it here and select the image. So which logo you want added, you just simply select here. You can type here PNG. So perfect logo is coming here. So you can consider like this, this one, or which one you want added. So we can go with that. I just simply copy this logo and close this one and right click, get info, and select here the image and just Ctrl V or paste here. And now look at this, this is a YouTube channel like this. I just simply click here twice and YouTube is open within a fraction of second. That one is one of the best tips and tricks to install the application YouTube. You can put it here in the Finder also. So next time you just simply click here and the YouTube is open. It's very simple tips and tricks. You can apply for the Windows and Linux also. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.